Hello. For today's video, I will be making two videos. For the first video, I will be showing the ultra shortcut for Grumble Volcano. Okay, let's get into the video. For this shortcut, you don't need shrooms, but it's faster if you use shrooms. That was with shrooms. Then you have to go over here, at least past this bump, and then around here. Then you have to go at least to right here. You can't cut the corner, or unless the lap won't count. And then you go over there again. And now I'm gonna see how fast I can do it. My record is 44 seconds. Dang it. I messed up. It is faster if you use shrooms in the beginning, because when you don't, it takes longer. 4 seconds to get into the lava. And with shrooms, it takes 2 to 3 seconds. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'm gonna try to see how fast I can do it one more time. I failed. Wait, what? Really? I would have got about 46 seconds probably. So yeah. That's all for today's video. Well, I am going to make another one later. That's all for this video. If you like today's video, please like and subscribe down below. Thank you.